Hi everyone, welcome to this Batchline tutorial video. Today we're going to be looking at the dashboard again, and this time we're going to be looking at the different sorts of data we can see on this left hand panel to do with sales. Following on from last video, we're looking at units sold at the moment in this graph, and if we right click here we can change the data type here to revenue, units sold or margin. So if we choose revenue here, we can see that we're now comparing the amount of money that we've taken rather than just the number of units that we've sold. You can always see that on the hover over graphs anyway, but if you want a quick visual representation, it's there. And then we could change that to margin, where we're using either the cost price of the stock item or we're using our configured default discounts for book and non-book items to estimate a margin on our product, so we can estimate how much money we've actually made in these time periods. So those are the three data types we can look at. Up on this upper portion here, we're going to always see the same thing. We're going to see the revenue, the number of sales, the margin, and the receipts, the number of receipts, and then what the average value of each of those receipts was. And so this will always refer to whatever this is saying up here. So that's for 2025. So if we wanted to change that to, say, this month, so let's choose 2025. We want April. So, we've only got stats up until the 14th because we're on the 14th at the moment. And now we've got revenue for April, number of sales for April, the profit margin we've made so far in April, the number of receipts, and what the average value of that receipt was. And then we'll have a percentage change, which refers to whatever this is saying here compared to the same month last year, April 2024. So we can see that we're down 25% on April last year, 36% in terms of the number of sales, margin down, and slightly down on average receipts. So that's a quick overview of the different sorts of data we can look at on this graph. Come back next time to delve a bit deeper into the sort of detailed stats that we can get out of this tab on the dashboard. Thanks a lot. Bye.